Hello guys, welcome to Nuts. Myself Hassan. Today I am going to show you how you can install Office 365 except those apps that you don't want. Like for me, I don't want Outlook, then OneNote, OneDrive. I want to exclude that, and Skype. I want to exclude that from Office 365 installation. But if you click this Office Microsoft 365 app installation folder, one click installation, then it will install all the software that you need and you don't need, like Skype, OneDrive, uh, OneNote. But you already have OneDrive, OneNote from the Windows installation. So if you want to exclude that, follow along. There is a tool called Office Deployment tool. You have to install this. Okay, just download it. I already had it downloaded. Let's open. Okay, continue. Now you have to extract it under C drive. Okay, make a new folder, name it anything you want. Office install. Okay, now select this folder and extract. So now we have some one setup file, exe file, and 3x xml configuration. Okay, let's see what are these. So these are the configuration file that your office will be. For example, here for this configuration file, Office 365 64-bit will be installed along with the Visual Pro Retail, okay, in English version. So I want to create my own custom configuration file. So for that you have to go to the Office customization tool, admin app center. Okay, let's go. Now so you have to select your architecture. I will keep it at 64-bit. Office 365 for enterprise, VSO none. Project, I will not install project, none. No additional package. Current channel, keep it just like that, version latest. Here I want access, but I don't want OneDrive, I don't want Outlook, publishers Word, Excel, I want Excel, I don't want OneNote, I don't want Teams. Okay, let's go to the next. For language, it's obviously gonna be English, United States, but I will also install some additional language that I need. For example, Arabic. Then I am gonna add Bangla also. For proofing, I don't need anything for proofing. Go next. Just keep it like that. Show installation to user. So if you want to see the installation progress, you can keep it on. If you don't want to see installation progress, like totally silent installation, no pop-up wizard will come, then turn it off. So I recommend you to turn it on. So next, go next. Update and upgrade, keep it just like that. For upgrade option, if you have already installed any previous version of Microsoft 365 or Visual Project, then you want to uninstall that first. If you hadn't uninstalled, you can uninstall with this wizard also. So I recommend you to uninstall it first before trying this method. So keep it off. Go to next, license except LUA, turn it on. It's saying that for every other software you have to accept their terms and service. Just so they are saying if you want the user to accept it or to be automatically be accepted. So I want it to be automatically accepted, so I turn it on. Go next. You don't have to do anything here. If you have any organizational, you and set some provide name or something, documentation for document you want to type it here. I don't want that. I for because I will be using it for my personal use. Then go to next. You don't There are some plugin or a extra app. If you want to install that, just click them. Okay, tick them. So I don't want that. I'll click finish. Then I'll export it to that folder that I created in created under C drive. Keep current settings. Next, accept their terms. File name, you can name anything you want. I'll keep it like that. Okay, what is that? Keep current setting. Let's go configuration, export. Oh yeah, as you can see, we have downloaded it. Let's go duplicate download. You want to move this file to that folder that you have created under C drive. Okay, office installation, paste. Let's compare this configuration file. Open it with notepad. As we for this specific particular configuration file, it will install Office 64-bit without excluding any apps like Outlook, Skype, and it also will install Visual Retail. Okay, so let's see the configuration file we made. As you can see, it will install the Office 64-bit Office language. I have selected 3 languages, but you have if you don't want that, just don't add language. Then I excluded app group. This is for Skype for business. This is OneDrive, OneNote, Outlook, Teams. I don't want that. I want to see the installation wizard. So update. I want to if you want to get updates. So I want to I want to terms and service to be automatically accepted, so I kept it true. Now to install, if you click the setup, it will not install the file. Now for installation, you have to open command prompt here. Just type click in this address bar and type cmd and click enter. So now type this command, setup setup.exe space slash configure if configure space, then write the exact configuration name with XML extension that you want to install your office. I want to install office like this configuration. Okay, so I want to write the this configuration name configuration.xml. okay, hit enter, click yes, then it will install the office for you. You just need to wait for it for them to be installed. Let's fast forward to the installation. As you can see, my installation is done. Let's see what apps we have got. Word, PowerPoint, Publisher, Access, Excel. Okay, so I didn't get any of the app I excluded. Okay, I just needed this 5 app. I already got this. I got this 5 app. Okay, as you can see, it's successful. You can install it like this. That's for today. I'll attach those link in description. Please make sure to like and subscribe. It will help me create new video in future. Thank you. Goodbye.